64 under square root divided 1 upon 2 times 2. How do you solve it? So as per PEMDAS, we first solve parentheses, then comes exponents, orders, indices, roots, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here we don't have any parentheses, but we have a root. So first we will solve this root. Now square root of 64 is 8. So we write 8, then divide it 1 upon 2 times 2. Now after exponent we have multiplication. So will you do multiplication? Doing multiplication means 2 times 1 is 2. So it will be 8 divided by 1, and after multiplication we have division. So answer will be 8. Are you getting 8 as your answer? If it is, it's not the correct answer. Why? Let me explain it here. Now when 8 divided 1 upon 2 times 2, this multiplication division, you cannot solve it like this order, because writing in this order doesn't mean that multiplication has any precedence over division. You see here, this 1 upon 2 times 2, it is actually written multiplication, but what we are doing here is division. 2 divided 2 is 1. Why? Because division and multiplication, they are reciprocal actions. When 4 divided by 2, it means 4 is multiplied to 1 upon 2. So this 1 upon 2 times 2 means 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. We can write it like this also, then it becomes 1 upon 2 times 2, division converted into multiplication. So division and multiplication, they are reciprocal actions, and we cannot give precedence of one over other. Therefore, we need to solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. So if you follow PEMDAS, even if you are getting division, if you are following PEMDAS, although multiplication is written first, but in the question there is division first, and from left to right we have division. So we'll do division first. So it will be 8, division converts into multiplication, and the number after that gets inverted. So it will be 8 times 2, then times 2. So now it is 2 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So 32 will be the correct answer. Let me know what is your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.